Hey guys, and welcome to Maitland Explains. Today, we're going to be looking at the number of factors which can stop a MEX implementation in its tracks. We'll talk about why you want to use MEX, your maintenance goals, and how you're going to achieve them. Achievers in all fields set goals. Goals give a clear vision for the long term and produce motivation for the short. On top of that, they also facilitate the efficient use of your time and resources. So, with something as big as a maintenance operation, it's not just important, but it's necessary to have a clear objective documented and reviewed. Why? Because without a goal and a pathway to achieve it clear, a maintenance operation can be severely impacted, as there's nothing to work towards. You'll see no progress, and eventually morale will drop, and inaccurate or even unusable data will make its way into the system, which does more harm than good. Additionally, the margin for error expands when a system is inherited with little or no documentation to clarify the practices and the goals expected of it. What happens if a key staff member leaves and this is the case? Well, maintenance becomes harder to report on, scheduling gets more complicated, and sometimes the gap in knowledge can even result in disaster. So of course, we all want to avoid this. Ask yourself, what do you truly want out of your MEX system? Do you have a clear business or maintenance goal you've set out to achieve? For example, do you want to be able to report on maintenance effectively? Or be able to use KPIs to oversee the operation? Or do you just want to be able to easily and effectively create overlapping maintenance schedules? Once you've decided the outcome, be it a single goal or a combination of the many, there is a simple yet practical approach in bringing them to achievement. It's a process we call Overseer. Examine, record, secure, review. First, you examine your data's integrity. Look at the goals you have chosen and identify the data you need to feed into the system to achieve them. Then, as you make your way through the implementation, you record the data input procedures as well as make informative how-to guides so that the desired outcomes can be achieved through following these instructions. This ensures the integrity of the operation even after key employees leave and take with them their knowledge of procedures and objectives. Next, it's time to secure the system. If a particular user does not need to work in a particular module, just lock them out. This simplifies the user's view of the system, which will increase productivity and just makes it easier to work with. We actually have Maitland Explains on this, which you should check out in the description. Finally, you need to constantly review your goals and practices. Goals will eventually be met or changed, so we recommend every 6 months. Evaluate your objectives and procedures by repeating the Overseer method and adjust any operational changes accordingly. Here at MEX, we have expert consultants with years of experience that are eager to help you develop an efficient system management cycle and cater your MEX system around your maintenance or business goals. If you're interested, there's more information in the description. Thank you for watching this episode of Maitland Explains. It's been a pleasure, and as always, you've been great.